Okay, so today we're doing a job for the city of Hico. If you can tell, we're up on the roof line. Tree is all over the roof, so we're gonna have to get all that elevated up off the roof. And then we got some dead wood to continue with right here, and of course it's got to be over these expensive AC units. So we're going to have to climb up in there, come straight down on it, and really tie this stuff off well. Same thing over there, and get all that stuff, that branch over there off the wall, so it don't make it come down. So this ought to be fun. All right, you ready? I got it. Now go downstairs.
Downstairs?
Yeah. You're gonna get on where them AC units are.
Alright.
Take your time.
Yeah, I got you.
May have to get the ladder. I didn't even think about that.
Oh, yeah.
Can you get to a solid part?
What?
Can you get to a solid part from there?
Yeah.
Okay. Test that shit before you put your full weight on it.
I already played on.
Yeah, you're good on that one.
That feels worth it.
Pull it to you, back that way. All right, set it down. Grab the other side. Set it down. All right. If you'll undo that one, I'll send you the little saw down. You can cut that up and throw it out. Hang on, let me get a pole.
Here, I'm just gonna toss it to you.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Yeah.
That was the one I was worried about the most.
Yeah, I'm scared. You are taking care of it now.
Yeah, ain't no secret, huh?
There.
I got it.
All right.
There you go. Got it?
Yeah.
Where'd my phone go? Oh, there it is.
Well,
I'm tripping the phone.
there ain't really nothing below me right there, right?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Say cheese. Look at Chris go. All right. And I'll just hold you here and you walk back out and just keep feeding your white one out or your red one.
Yeah, I got you.
Just stay on that side. Just like that. Let me know if I need to put more tension on it. You got it. Just stay to that side.
Yeah, let off a little bit.
Okay. Good. Keep going. Let me know if I need to put any more into it.
I got you.
Just stay on that side. Keep on rolling. This is going to be a cool video here. We'll put this on the short as well. This is limb walking 101 right here, buddy.
Just go to the wall.
Yeah, just go all the way to the wall.
Good.
Just stay on that side. I got you right here. 2 pivot points.
Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead. Keep going.
Yeah, I got you.
Get all the way down to the wall. And you can sit down right there once you get on it. Go ahead. Okay, now stand on the wall.
Okay.
Okay, put a lanyard on yourself right there at the fork. And what you can do is just tie the lanyard or clip it onto the branch at the fork here.
All right here?
Yeah. And clip onto itself like it's another rope, not instead of going on your hip. There you go. Now you can adjust it to where you want to be. Go ahead and take that white one off, or you don't have to take it off, but
Yeah, I gotta get it out of the way anyway.
all right, that was a good one.